The 2025 Porsche Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid is a luxury sports sedan with a front-mounted twin-turbo V8 engine and hybrid assist. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Today I will share the 2025 Porsche Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid overview, performance and power, interior and technology, pricing and options, safety and warranty. So let's enjoy. It offers all-wheel drive and a combined 670 horsepower, with an even more powerful Turbo SE hybrid at 771 horsepower. Equipped with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid can reach 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds. An 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission is standard, as is all-wheel drive. An air spring suspension system and adaptive dampers are standard, and Porsche will provide rear-wheel steering as an option. The Turbo SE Hybrid, with its 771 horsepower, matches this feat in 2.8 seconds. An adaptive suspension system enhances both comfort and performance. Inside, the Panamera boasts a digital dashboard with a 12.6-inch gauge display and a 10.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. The Turbo E-Hybrid comes standard with Porsche's popular Sport Chrono package, which includes a stopwatch on the dashboard, a Sport Plus driving mode, and other drive-enhancing features such as a launch control setting. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, alongside a 14-speaker Bose stereo. The interior is spacious, accommodating 4 adults comfortably with a hatchback for ample cargo space. Starting at $192,995, the Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid offers luxury and performance. The Turbo SE Hybrid, priced at $228,495, provides maximum power. Both models come with Porsche's Sport Chrono package, enhancing the driving experience with features like Sport Plus mode and launch control. Porsche's limited warranty and its powertrain warranty are competitive in this class. Spanning the same amount of time, its 24-hour roadside assistance program is also similar to what rivals offer. However, Porsche only includes complimentary scheduled maintenance for a short time. The Panamera includes driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Porsche's warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles, with complimentary maintenance for 1 year. For more details on safety ratings, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for highway safety websites. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.